Kezia, welcome. I'm so glad, or shall I say Mysterio?
Yeah.
This is magnificent what you're wearing. It's incredible.
Thank you.
And am I right? You've been cosplaying for a while? Mm-hmm. Okay, but this is, if I'm reading correctly, the first time you've scratch built everything in a costume.
Yeah, everything.
Okay, what was the impetus behind wanting to just scratch build the whole thing?
So I usually will buy some things off Amazon and like modify them, but I wanted this one to be really accurate, and you just can't get that accuracy from modifications. You got to do it all yourself.
Okay, so walk me through the process. I'm seeing so many different techniques in this.
So I started with the boots. I used Beverly's technique for making the boot covers. So I sewed everything, painted it, and then I moved on to the suit.
Now, this is a texture that's, you didn't buy the fabric like this.
I just bought the dark green, it's like faux leather. And then I had to hand stencil all the little designs, and then I hand painted everything. It's coming off a bit because it rubs.
Yeah, but still, that's amazing.
Thank you.
And it's across the whole thing, this bodysuit. And you made the bodysuit as well.
I did, yeah.
Okay, so once you've got the bodysuit with all of the texture there, then you're moving on to, is there some cast parts, there's some foam additive building?
It's all foam.
Okay.
I did everything out of foam.
Oh my gosh.
This is foam, this is foam. These guys are foam, and then underneath is sewable foam. So to attach it to the fabric, sewed on the sewable foam, and then just barged on
onto that piece.
Stuff. Yeah.
Oh, nifty. So you've got a smaller sort of footprint underneath to give it a real mechanical connection. And then this breastplate is, you've got integral lighting in it as well.
Yeah, some of it came apart on the airplane, but that always happens, so it's fine.
And then the gauntlets are, I see you've got they actually open up to allow you inside. Yeah. And they have integral lighting as well.
They do. You can't really see.
Wow.
But yeah, and then this stuff is all acrylic that we had to heat form. We just bought big sheets, laser cut out the pieces, and then we had to sit there and form it over like bowls and mugs and just stuff we found in the kitchen to get it.
And then there's details which are on this cape that are even more, look at this. Oh my goodness. So these are all appliques?
Yeah, so we designed the blue stuff. We designed it and got it printed. And then we used a cry cut. We cut out all the pieces and then just ironed it all on.
Wow. It's really lovely. It lends this great texture to this that's like, it's really of a piece, because the front piece feels like a piece of jewelry. Yeah. And it's like getting the fabric and the hard parts to play well together. Aesthetically is non-trivial. You've also got some different colors of metallic paints, the red here and the gold. Yeah. How long did this take you?
So I started when the first trailer dropped, and I made it for San Diego Comic-Con. Okay. So I think it was like a month and a half.
Oh my God. That makes me tired just thinking about it.
I was very tired when I got to the con.
Is your at the end of a build like this? Do you have a garage or a room or a craft building you do your stuff in?
It's just a big garage.
It's a big garage, and is it just like a war zone at the end of the costume?
It's awful. There's foam dust everywhere. It looks terrible.
Do you have sanders and belt sanders and stuff like that for the foam work?
Yeah.
Talk to me about the actually really intricate detail here on the eyes.
These are 3D printed. This is the only thing that I've ever 3D printed and modeled. It didn't turn out great because it was the first time. We just got a 3D printer.
I disagree. It turned out great.
You can see a little bit of the lines, but it's okay. From far away, it looks...
Actually, from a foot away, it looks fine. And you've matched the texture of something hard 3D printed to something foam. You've matched the color exactly, and that's non-trivial.
Thank you.
How does it feel to wear? I was, just before the camera rolled, I was telling you that the sad moment of spoiler, of the movie is when Mysterio says, "Get this stupid costume off me." And I was like, oh no. But you said you identified with that.
I do, because it's so tight. And at the end of the day, it hurts. Yep. And so when I take it off, I get a little bruises, but it's worth it.
It's the armor bites and the scrapes and In my costume yesterday, there was a part that was just touching my arm when I was putting the costume on. But by the end of an hour on the floor, I had this big bruise on my we have to suffer. Kezia, thank you so much for showing me this beautiful work. I can't wait to see what you do next year.
Thank you.